So this is by Bold Unique, and oh my gosh, so you can see the whole set here. Now this looks brand new, but this is my other set, and I only have the shampoo left. I'm out of the hair mask, and I'm out of the conditioner, and I only have about that much of the bottle left in the shampoo. I've been using Bold Unique for probably about 6 months. And I love it. Let me tell you everything I love about it. But first, I want to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love anything that has to do with great hair and great ethics in a company. First off, the bottles feel so unique because what they do is they actually recycle plastic from the ocean. And so all of their bottles are recyclable, and all of their stuff goes back into the ocean and the environment in the ocean. So I love that. They smell absolutely amazing. This is the hair mask. The hair mask is fabulous. Oh my goodness. I love doing this hair mask. Sometimes I'll even do it at night because it's really dry here. I live in Vegas, so my hair gets really dry. I've been trying not to heat treat it right now. All I did was braid it and let it out. That was what I did with my hair here. I'm trying to get away from heat treating for a little bit. It is growing again. Yay me. I'm 55 years old, so sometimes that can be challenging a little bit. But this is great. Sometimes I'll actually put this on my hair, and I'll go to sleep with it, and I'll just really let it deep condition all night long. And I'll wet it, and then I'll deep condition it, and then go to bed. Put a little bonnet on it, and just keep my hair all nice and it just feels so good. But man, this completely detangles my hair. I don't have to worry about any tangling with the conditioner. It's like immediately, it's a strengthening shampoo and a strengthening conditioner. It's no cruelty to animals. Great for the environment. It's for everyday use. And they remove a jar from the oceans. They remove the plastic from the oceans. And I think that's a really beautiful thing. They're really committed, and I just love everything about the company. In here it goes, be happy, be silly, be giggly, be sexy, be boy, be girl, be a winner, be a loser, be ready to take on the world. But whatever you decide, just be you. And I love that. What a great, beautiful message. So once again, thank you so much, Bold Unique. I love these products.